Firstly, you'll want to loop the string through the leash plug. Place the leash through both ends of the string and double the Velcro back on itself. Depending on the length of string you have used, the rail saver should come up against the rail of the board. As a result, your tail should not get damaged. Here you can see that I have tied off the string a little too long. As a result, the rail saver comes far lower than the tail. In a heavy wipeout, this may cause the leash string to rip through the board, causing damage.